The problem that Grady faced was ever-increasing volumes of patients seeking care in its emergency department, and as a result, extended wait times to be seen for care, prolonged times in the emergency department to complete the visit, as well as an increasing number of patients who were leaving the emergency department because they got tired of waiting and never were seen by a physician. What we were able to do in conjunction with Georgia Tech was to create a model that for the first time in healthcare not only simulated the flow of the patient through the emergency room, but within that model were built into the model the characteristics of both the treatment that the patient received and the specific characteristics of each patient into the model so that we could get a more exact picture of what each patient's flow looked like, and then combine that together to get a better representation of where the bottlenecks were throughout the visit a patient would have within the emergency department. The value was immeasurable. The reduction in length of stay was 50%. Patients on average were spending 14 hours in the emergency room. That then came down to 7 hours after the implementation. The wait time in the emergency room was reduced by 30%. The number of patients that were leaving because they were tired of waiting was reduced by 30%. And at the end of the day, there was a savings to the institution of $30 million.